am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Hello everyone, God bless you all. Today's video, I'm going to help you play the song Here I Am to Worship by Hillsong or by Chris Tomlin, okay? Let's start. Let's start with the intro. The chords of the intro is G, the intro has three chords, the G, the D, and the C, okay? The intro has three chords, the G, the D, and the C, okay? And the strumming pattern is down, 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 then down, down, up, up, down, down, okay? Repeat twice. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, okay? The intro is like this. That's the intro, and then proceed tayo sa verse 1. The verse 1 is like this. It sounds like this. Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see. Okay, let's start. Light of the world, light, G of the world, D. Mamaya lang po yung strumming pattern natin, ha? Okay? You step down, A minor, into darkness. Open, G, my eyes, B, let me see. Same lang po yung chord sa second line natin. Beauty that made this heart, A minor, adore you. Back to G, hope of life, B, spent with you, C. Okay, yan po yung verse natin. Lagyan natin strumming pattern. Yung strumming pattern niya, down, down, same sa intro, down, 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 tapos down, down, up, up, down, down. Okay? Ganyan po siya. Light of the world, you step down, up, up, down. Open my eyes, let me see. Okay? Yung unang chords, down, down lang po. Down yung strumming, down, down, tapos pag lipat sa D, down, down din, tapos pag A minor, dyan na po yung down, down, up, up, plus down, down, plus up, up, down, down, okay? Yan po. Light of the world, you step down into darkness, open my eyes, let me see. Adore you, hope of a life spent with you. Up, up, down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Pag preparation na po for chorus, down lang po yung strumming nun. Down, down, up, up, down, down. Tapos, pag chorus na po, kahit ilang bagsak ng down, depende po sa inyo. Ito po dyan. Hope spent with you. Up, up, down, 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 down. Here I am to worship, G. Here I am to bow down, D. Here I am to say, back to G, that you're my God, C. You're all together lovely, G. Altogether worthy, B, altogether, back to G, wonderful to me, C. Okay, lagyan natin yung strumming pattern. Ganito preparation sa chorus. Oh, as spent with you, up, up, down, 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 down. Here I strumming pattern sa chorus, down, down, up, up, down, down. Okay? Ganito po yun. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether loving, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Tapos bridge tayo. Yung bridge po, ganito lang po. I'll never know, B, I'll never know. Back to G, how much, tapos C. Okay? I'll never know, G, how much it costs. Tapos D, to see my sin upon that cross. I'll never know how much it costs to see my sin upon that cross. Yun po, tapos ng bridge, back to chorus na po tayo. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether loving, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Okay? Yun po ang ating tutorial ng Here I Am to Worship. I hope you learned something, and I hope you God bless you all, and if you like this video, please comment and suggest for what Christian song you want to gawa natin ng tutorial. Okay? God bless you all.